Now we will get into our first assignment. I'm going to upload this assignment file into your LMS portal. So let me first explain this assignment to you. You should be able to do it seamlessly without any issues. You make a copy of this file. Once I upload it into LMS, you can make a copy of this, or you can copy this and file, and then where is this? Save a copy in Drive. And then what I'm trying to do here is Indian Penal Code chatbot, IPC, IPC section 420, IPC section 512, IPC section. So what I want to do is, I'm a regular user. I don't know IPC sections. I want you to create a chatbot that will give me the IPC sections for a particular crime. Or I want to go and maybe I want to sue some company. What are the IPC sections that I have to include? So Indian Penal Code PDF that I'm giving you, that you can download. You can get it online also. And then you know what needs to be done, right? I want you to create a chatbot, and the answer should be not from generic LLM, where the answers, every answer should be coming from the particular file. What is that file? Indian Penal Code file. Let me show you this file. The answer should be limited to these 112 pages, Indian Penal Code only. So I have given step-by-step document loading. You must write the code. I have given extreme explanation of this. You can ignore this. You can go ahead, write it in your own way. Split the data into chunks. Create the embeddings. Conversational retrieval chain. Can you do that? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Try to give your best shot. It is natural that you may get some hiccups, but try to resolve them and try to complete that assignment.